To Sundowns again, thank you for Jaden, for how you've treated him. I made a call to the family. His father, my team made a call. We said, we will cover the funeral in my personal capacity. They said, no need. Sundowns is taking care of everything. It shows you the character of the father and the mother and the granny. What type of household? If it was other people, julle ken yourself. Like, oh, dankie. Here, hier's die bankdetails. Ek stuur dit nou vir jou, né? Ek stuur dit nou vir jou. They didn't do that. Stuur solank jy e-wallet, solank jy die grootjie reg maak. Stuur gou solank jy netjie. They didn't do that. They said, the chairperson of Sundowns is taking care of everything. You know, for me, can you give this family